Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You are on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and today's video is going to be a home bargains haul. I know that you absolutely love these videos, and so do I when I'm actually watching them from somewhere else. That is what is coming today. But before we get into the items and the products that I'm going to show you, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff, which I want to get through very, very quickly as possible, as much as I can. I'm going to start to the fact that if you like the products and you like the video and you like any of the advice that I'm giving you, please give it a massive thumbs up, because it helps my YouTube channel out. It helps me out to know what you guys want to see, and then I know what I can do for future videos. So definitely give it a thumbs up if you like anything in this video. If you are new, then hello, welcome, and you are absolutely more than welcome to come and join the little tazwells12 YouTube journey and the love family I have got going on here. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button and joining tazwells12. You can check my other social medias out on my main page with clicking the clickable button up there. That's for Instagram and Twitter. Please like, follow, whatever you'd like to do on there, that'd be absolutely great. If you want to comment on the video, just comment down below. We can have a conversation, comment on something that you like, something that you've seen at Home Bargains, anything you want to, comment down below, because that'd be great too. The last thing is, I am not sponsored by Home Bargains or any of the brands that I do show you. This is all out of my own money and it's a advice video for you guys, so I'm not sponsored. That is me, enough of rambling. Let's get on to the Home Bargains haul. I just want to say quickly that I do have my Home Bargains receipt here, so I will clarify any prices before I tell you. First item we're going to go with this. So you know this is a good old classic for me. I will go for it now. So this is the FEBREEZE fabric freshener. It's a water-based formula. It's a limited edition, which I hope it's not, because I love this smell. It's Sparkling Bloom and it eliminates trapped lingering odours. This is the best. So I use this on loads of things. This is a scent I've recently quite found, this Sparkling Bloom one. I love it. It smells divine. There is another one that's vanilla that I do like too, but if I can get hold of this one, I will 10 times go for this one. It's like a tropical sort of smell. That's why it's got the tropical little flamingo down there and a little fruit, but it's fabulous. I use this all over the place. So I use it for our main bed. I will use it for every single curtain that we've got up. I will use it for our sofas. I will use it for rugs. You can put it on carpet if you want to. You can put it on cushions. You can put it on clothes, I was guessing. I don't personally, but you could if you want to spruce up some clothing, if it's just smelling. It's got like for bed sheets and literally all of the items here. It is the best thing. Literally every time I change the bed, this will go on. Every time we do a clean over the weekend, it will go on the curtains and the sofa, and it just gives you that lovely smell and takes all the horrible odours away. And this was at the price of £1.99. This is an item I don't normally pick up in bargains, but I thought I'd give them a try, and it's these. So if you have tried these, please comment down below and tell me what you think of them. I won't be opening this packet just yet, we've got some others going on, but I love the big like oval ones. So these are the Cotton Soft cotton wool oval pads. There's 50 in there. They're pure cotton with 100%. These are great. I clean my face with them. I literally put any liquids on them. These are the best, and they're like massive. Like they really, really do. And if I do use them, I do fold them up and then put the product on it and then go over it, because then you've got like pretty much 3 sides. So I will use the side that flattened it, the other side, and then you can open it. Honestly, best thing to do. But I am going through these a lot at the moment, the oval ones, and these are at the price of 69p, which I thought was quite good for 50. I think I normally get them out of like Wilko's, I've got them out of Aldi, I've got them out of Asda, I've got them out of loads of places, Primark even. Thought for 69p, why not? Let's just go for them and try them out of Home Bargains for a change. This product you have actually probably seen a video. I actually tested it out, reviewed it, and when I did, I was so surprised with the product and how it worked on my face and how lovely it was. It made my skin feel, and I had to go and buy some more because I use it every night before I go to bed. Every time I go before to bed, I will clean my face completely with some like solution that sort of gives it a good clean. It sometimes stings, but it does sting a little in a good way, if that makes sense. And I will do that as a video because you probably want to see that, and I've got more into a routine how I do it. So I use a certain products in the day and then certain products at night, and this is one of the products I use. This, I have brought 2 more of this because this cream is fab. I'm not even joking you. I think the money for this, it is really lovely. If you have not seen that video, please go and watch it because I rave about it in that video, but now I'm going to rave about it even more because I have been using it so much, and I was a bit dubious. I was using it quite a lot because I'm using it every single night, that I was going to run out. When I got the chance to go to Home Bargains, I picked up 2 more of these, and this is the Collagen Dead Sea Collection, fabulous collection. I wish they did more in Home Bargains. Anti-wrinkle night cream with Dead Sea minerals. It's a spectacular moisturising and smoothing effect are provided by the innovating ingredients with anti-wrinkle properties, paraben free, and there's 50 ml here. I'm going to get this one out and show you because I'm not keeping these boxes. But I am so impressed with the packaging as well. Look, I said in my other video, like, how bougie was it? The plastic lid with the gold, and then you've got literally, this is all like a sort of smoky glass, which is lovely, like frosted glass. It is divine. These are great, and these are only at the price of £1.99. So I had to stock up 2 more for £4, and that's like, honestly, that amount of money for that collagen cream is fantastic. I'm so raving about this because I have brought like an eye cream at L'Oreal, and that cost me more than what these creams do, and this goes all over my face, and that's just an eye cream. I love that eye cream, by the way. This is fabulous. If anything, please if you want a good night cream, and they also do this in the day cream, so if you want a day and a night, fabulous price as well. If you ever go to Home Bargains, please go and look in the jar section because honestly there is some good things, and this is one of them. This chicken a night is 89p. It's the cheapest I have found for chicken a night own brand. It literally is insane. We have got here chicken tonight one. It says it's made with natural ingredients. The Spanish chicken 1-pan sauce. Honestly, this is what we use all the time. We tried the honey and mustard one the other night. We used one of them, and I absolutely love that one too, and I wish I picked another one of them up. These are 89p. I cannot go wrong with that. So anytime I go there now, I literally pick one of these up, like the honey and mustard or the Spanish chicken. That's the only 2 they do. But for 89p, I always pick one of these up as like a backup because we use this all the time. The next item I picked up, I looked in the cooking like section, all the little cookery bits and cake bits, and I actually found this because I thought I would try it as the off chance. And it's this little vanilla extract. The JANEASHER home baking range is a natural food colouring. This was only 59p, which I thought was quite a good amount for that, because normally they can be £1, normally it can be 70p, but I thought 59p for that was quite good. This has got a best before date, which is June 2022, so this will last absolutely loads, and I thought I'd have a look what the taste and what it's like from the JANEASHER range. I've never actually tried anything from there, but this looked really good. The only bit I'm concerned, if you can actually see, it is a little bit runny. I thought vanilla extract was a little bit more sort of thicker, sort of like syrup, the ones that I've tried. So we will watch out for that. Maybe it's cheap, it's not going to work as well, but I will let you know my verdict. If you have tried it, please comment down below. Last last item I've left best to last, because this item I was so not expecting to see. So when I was going around the cooking section, when I found that vanilla extract and looking at all the other bits, I found this item and it was so strange. It was unbelievable. I had to have it. I will be using it for something, but I can't tell you at the time, but I want to show you what it is. And it's this. I am going to make maybe a cake, okay? Quite a big cake for a special occasion. I'm not quite sure when and if I'm going to do it. So I'm on the ifs and buts of this. I wanted one of these because I saw a drip cake. Very ambitious. You've saw a couple of my items cooking on this channel, so this could be very ambitious item for me to do, so I will probably test it out. I've seen one of them drip cakes, and how they smooth out the butter icing was with one of these. So I thought out of the whole lot, this was going to be the expensive item. And then literally Home Bargains come up with what I want, and it was so funny because this was the last one on the shelf and I was not actually going to get it at first, because you know what it's like when you go in Home Bargains, you do not know it needs to spend money, and that's what I was thinking to myself. And then I thought, maybe it's destiny, the fact that I do actually want one, and there's one left, and at the price of only £2.49 is amazing. And this is a double one, so this does two things. This is from the JANEASHER range again. There's a little website up here which I'm actually going to physically check out because I think there may be some good things on there. So this is a cake lifter and side smoother. This is perfect for lifting heavy or delicate cakes without damaging them. So there you go, that's even better if you want to put it on a plate. Yes, this is good. Also for smoothing buttercream or use as dough or pastry scraper. So this actually does three things, and I thought this was amazing. I was like, I was never going to see one of these. I thought I was going to have to literally pay about £5 to £7 for one of these. For £2.49, I was so impressed. And it's got like a little stamp, like it's a slip handle. Like, that item is absolutely fabulous, and Home Bargains have absolutely surprised with me this, because I was so lucky to find this and lucky that the last one was on the shelf. This has unfortunately come to the end of the Home Bargains haul, but I hope that you did like the items and the advice I give you, and maybe you can cheekily go and find a good bargain or something you really wanted, like I wanted that cake sort of smoother thing. You may go and find what you need in there. Definitely check out Home Bargains. If you liked the video and you liked what I said and liked what I explained and showed you, then please give it a thumbs up, because it helps me out, like I said at the beginning of the video. If you are new here, then click the subscribe button and come and join tazwells12. A lot more of you have joined, so that is absolutely fabulous, and the fact that my supporters are still staying with me, then thank you very much. I just want to say that I am not sponsored by Home Bargains or the brands that I did show you. It is all out of my own money and not sponsored. Comment down below, check my other social medias out, and thank you for watching as always. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I will see you all soon, guys. Bye.